Welcome guys. If you want to get Bhangra Boogie Emote on your OnePlus 7T Pro, for the first you have to enter the browser, and right now add the new card, tap on the search pool and type your OnePlus. Enter the website. Let's scroll down, tap right here, scroll down one more time and claim your emote. Tap on it one more time, and right now we have to log in to our OnePlus account. You can also continue with the Google or Facebook account, so let me just sign in. Okay, and here we are. We have to input our IMEI and the PCBA number. So I'm going to start with the IMEI number, and then I'm going for the PCBA. If you don't know how to check this number, you have to watch our video. We got it on our channel. And right now just click right here. And this is how you can get it. Of course, in this case it's not going to work because I just take the skin. And that's it. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!